DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. The Dan is lab. Yeah, man, gang. You see what I do today, man. Yeah, man. We did another mad reaction. Yeah. Today we got this one requested for the Dan from the Dan Mafia family. I was trying to look for your name to give your request, but I couldn't find your comment. But yeah, man, comment your name so you can get your shout out. You see me, I get pinned in the comment section. But yeah, man, today we're there with a new reaction. The one named Adofo. Well, these artists is new to the channel. Alright. We got Adofo and Quill DEM. The one named Mr. James. I got a lot of requests to this track, so we're gonna check it out and see what artists I deal with. You see me, I say, yeah, man, gang. Yeah, before we jump right in the track, I hope you are staying prayed up. I hope you are taking care of yourself, and I hope you're making every day count, man. I hope you're taking steps towards your dreams and goals. Cause yo, anything you want in life, you can get it. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. You see me? But yeah, man, gang. Today we are Adofo, Quill DEM, and Quill DEM, Mr. James. So we're gonna check it out. We're not gonna vibe much longer. I'm interested to see what this is about. You see me, gang? Let's get it.
Listen, alright? You need to listen. You need to get the $28,000 so we can bring over the check and the car, alright? You have already made your first
I got twang for the dollars. That's a 28,000 way.
payment. Why don't you go ahead so we can make the second payment so we can deliver your prize?
I've made the first payment.
Yo, Buddha.
Man say make you first, you can deliver your prize, alright?
I saw me charge him again, tell Quill if I check about 40 of them. Them a file a fresh off of the market, my friend. If him not have no money, send him a target, go beg yo, Gwenga. Start up the Benz, everything in the account, me want it, my friend. And a girl I forget more from, she reach pan the ends, and she pussy a run.
Bring a start up your Benz, come you know?
Pan me dirty foot friends.
Choppy white lady, but we no racist.
The dirty food friend, them have to enjoy themselves, you know. Where dogs say we go on.
Girl I forget more from, she reach pan the ends, and she pussy a run pan me dirty foot friends.
Choppy white lady, but we no racist. But he just drop her ex figure skate it. Got us.
Yeah, man, Choppy white lady. Oh, we no racist. Our mom have to sing it on the dirty.
And a girl I forget more from, she reach pan the ends, and she pussy a run pan me dirty foot friends.
Choppy white lady, but we no racist. But he just drop her ex figure skate it. Got a skull right as up and pace it. All of ya can't get shake up me quake it. You hardly see me come lacking pan a daily.
All of ya can't get shake up me quake that. Hey, come in now.
Cook up a sauce, make it sweet like a gravy. Adofo, swing it fat 40, me favorite. Make a pussy to see camp and me wave it.
Adofo, swing it 5 me.
I saw me charge him again, tell Quill if I check about 40 of them. Them a file a fresh off of the market, my friend. If him not have no money, send him a target, go beg yo, Gwenga. Start up the Benz, everything in
And the money send him a target, go beg, oh shit.
the account, me want it, my friend. And a girl I forget more from, she reach pan the ends, and she pussy a run pan me dirty foot. Oh lady a boss, if you send it back, yo quicker than load up a money pack fast, yo time and call from the manager. Everything in the safe get sabotaged. 500 name lift the dialer, mobile check.
Wait, what, 500 mil? From a dialer, brother? 500 mil, coyote.
Clean light with your camera. See them and pop a pill and then go stagger back. So me have to catch a vibes and lift a mother chuck. Yeah, brother.
Skill a flick a next goon, 20 catch a next bats, maddy catch a next fool coupe. Buy a new Glock, Juvie drop a new coupe, Grinch day up on a black jing bang.
Pablo get pull over that beds, yeah. Easy now?
Day up on a black jing bang, I do the fraud bust, hard do the bang. Whether dial or flip, chop your skull, make him send it charge quick. If you charge slow, just press him and kill.
That dial or flip, chop his skull. Alright!
Him sell you, so me charge him a mill.
I saw me charge him again, tell Quill if I check about 40 of them. Them a file a fresh off of the market, my friend. If him not have no money, send him a
File fresh off of the market, you see me?
I get go beg yo, Gwenga. Start up the Benz, everything in the account, me want it, my friend. And a girl I forget more from, she reach pan the ends, and she pussy a run pan me dirty foot friends.
Choppy white lady, but we no
We no
racist.
racist. I have to hear my God.
But he just drop a 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 it. Got a skull right, that's up and paste it. All of ya can't get shake up me quake it. You hardly a see me come lacking pan a daily. Cup of sauce make it sweet like a gravy. Adofo, swing it fat 40 me favorite. Make a pussy to see camp and me wave it.
You see that one? Yeah. Boy, two dogs never go hard, you know. Two young youth in that game. Adofo and Quill DEM. Like conviction I die them voice. They must say them thing like them believe it. Yeah man, they must go on good man. First me I hear about them, Mr. James. Mr. James I get chop. But yeah man, artists must go on good man. Want to know about more about them guys. Drop some information in the comment section. Let me know about the artists, where them come from, how long they been doing music. The best songs for me react to from them. Let me know all that good stuff, gang. As I say, yeah man. Yeah, we're going to definitely check out more from them, but let's get it.
I know what this from what I'm like kid. Where's the fucking ghost, mate? Yo, potty dad.
Yeah, bro, your friend.
Don't ball. No ball to me.
This will be a bombard. Ball to God. Don't ball to me. Ball to God.
Alright, tell them no ball, you know.
Believe.
No ball.
Don't ball.
Send the money, no.
No.
Google Fi Wireless.
Yeah man gang, Adofo, Quill DEM. Adofo and Quill DEM, the one in name. Mr. James, you see me and say. Young artists man, young youth, them a do the thing, you see me and say. I don't know how old are they gang, let me know in the comment section. But yeah man, young artists are do them thing. You see me, they got style, they got the conviction, they you see me, they can talk and convince us them artists, like from when I said, like the things them wanna do, them actually doing it. You see me, like the conviction and voice, you see me I say, that them out here, make some good music, you see me, them young and career look like them new artists and all these things, but we're definitely interested to hear from more from them, especially that young, which means the sky's the limit, you see me, because that young in that game, the song they sound pretty good, very solid, you see me I say, so yeah man, I'm interested to hear more from them, because they can only get better, you see me, they can only get better from here, so yeah, Adofo, Quill DEM, definitely gonna look out for more from them. I'm getting a lot of Quill DEM, Quill DEM reaction requests, so we definitely gonna see more from Quill DEM, you see me I say? But let me know if you want to know hear more from Adofo. Yeah, so let me know that in the comment section. Also, gang, if you like it, definitely go show the artist on the one support me. You know, how they dance anyway. You see me I say? Yeah. You know, how they dance and drop in the comments. Let me know your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody. You see me the collab, all that good stuff. Which one of your favorite artists you think took the song or the beat? Yeah, man. Let's chop it up, gang. Let's get a dialogue going, all that good stuff. Oh yeah, gang. Right now I'm only 700 away from 7K subs, right? And 3K away from 10K subs. So I ask that you guys help your boy. I'm trying to hit 10K before the year end, before January, my birthday. So yeah, I can do that. It'll be the best Christmas, New Year's, and birthday present. You see me I say? So hit the like and subscribe button. Do the right thing. Code is life. You see me I say? Make it nice for an video. Hit the like and subscribe button. You can't be that bad man. You see me? Yeah man. Yeah man gang, so yeah, drop in the comments, let's chop it up, everybody get to 10K. You don't know, your boy Jambisco. Till next time gang, take care of yourself and each other, especially most important part, each other. You feel me? Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie.